How's it going, guys? RC Syndicate back at with another video. So as you guys may have saw last time in the last video, go check it out. You saw this particular rig sitting on a stand, and I got a question: is how come this particular rig was sitting on a stand? How do I store my rigs and all that good kind of stuff? And basically the reason why this rig sits on the stands, and mostly all the rigs right now sit on stands, is because of how pliable and how soft these foams are. Let me get up and close and show you real quick what we got going. So as you can see here, this rig is sitting on its own weight, and you can see just a little bit of pressure. There's not much more play in that. That foam is completely compressed already, and what you'll have is actual flat spots in this foam. You ever seen a rig going down the trail and you see it kind of walking and doing this kind of number? Well, that's because your foams are completely out of balance. Yeah, you can come through and try to squeeze them and do your best to make them work, but ultimately, you know, that flat spot's going to be there for a while, and it's going to be a real pain in the butt to try to get that thing out. So after cruising through the fine world of Amazon, trying to find stands for these rigs to sit on to avoid that. This is real noticeable right here. Came about with these Hobby Park stands, and I actually have a built one right here you guys check out. But we're gonna go ahead and open up a brand new one and get this thing assembled and show you exactly why I use this particular brand to go ahead and get the rigs up off the foams, stored, just so I don't have to damage my foams every single time. Now with these particular rigs and how I have my vehicle stored, this configuration does not necessarily work for my rigs. What I end up doing is I end up just go ahead and turning the base completely sideways and running it like that. Now the reason being is because my vehicles are wide, so I would need a wide stance on the bottom and then I need a wide stance up top. So this is how I actually have sitting on my storage area. Not a big deal, because I still have everything I need up front in case I do have to do a quick measurement when I store. So for instance, look at my Mini. Just able to clear the links right there, and I mean that sucker's stable, and that's with the Mini. With the 10 scale, I feel it's even better. I mean, look at that. That's nice, secure. That ain't going nowhere. I got my tires completely off the ground. Perfect. Well, there you have it, guys. You can definitely see where we have our tires off the ground. We don't have to worry about damaging our foams at all. Again, go check them out. Hobby Park. This is on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description should you guys be interested in this. And for 15 bucks, I mean, you can't be mad at that. That's awesome. Storage vehicles, gives you a solid place to work on them. I definitely like it. Well, guys, I hope today was helpful on how to get rid of some of these flat spots on your foams and how you store your vehicles as far as your tires go. Again, I appreciate all the support. See you guys on the next one.